Hey guys, I'm outside right now and I'm gonna do a prank on my family real quick, and it's gonna be a good one, I hope. But here's what I'm gonna do. Right here, this is an old Beehive that we found in our new truck. So the guy who owned it, he left it outside in his yard for about 10 years or something like that. So there's a bunch of beehives in there, and this is one of the old ones. So I'm gonna put it somewhere in our house, and hopefully my parents or someone, we get a good reaction from them. Alright guys, I taped it right there to the door thing, and it's in sight so that it'll be easy to see. And the good thing is, this is a room that our family goes into a lot, so it'll definitely be seen in the next couple of minutes, and I'll get the reaction for you guys, and hopefully it'll be a good one.
Oh my gosh. What's up?
Put that there.
What's that?
Look. Put that there. What? Where? I don't like that. Get out.
Desire!
Holy crap!
What the heck? How did that get there?
Jonas,
Mother.
get out of here.
Okay.
What? No! How do we know there's no wasp?
Don't. Get out of here.
That was awesome! So I pranked my family by putting that not fake, it's a real beehive, but it was just old. I hung it up in the house, taped it so it wouldn't fall off, and we got a good reaction from it. It was super sweet, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super awesome. In my opinion, it was a super awesome prank, and we got a really good reaction from it. So comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in my future videos.
Let's set the world on fire.